Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we'll see simple interest basic level questions, especially for beginners. Question number 1. A sum of 2000 is invested at 5% for 3 years. Calculate simple interest. Simple interest equals to PTR by 100. See, this is principal is 2000, time is 5, time is 3 years, rate of interest is 5 divided by 100, 0 0 0 0. This is 10 into 3, that is 300 is the simple interest. Next, to find the simple interest, again it is 5000 into 8 into 2, 16 divided by 100, 5 into 16, that is 800. 800 is the answer. Next, a person invest 1500 10% rate for 4 years. Find the simple interest. Again it is 1500. This is 10 into 440 divided by 100, 0 0 0 0. 15 into 4, that is 600. 600 is the simple interest. Next, calculate the amount. See, amount is equals to principal plus simple interest. This is the formula. Find the amount. First, calculate the simple interest. Simple interest is equals to 4000 into 5 into 2. This is 10 divided by 100, 0 0 0 0. Simple interest is 400. What is the amount? Amount is equals to 400 plus principal, that is 4000. 4000. Total is 4400. C is the answer. Next, find the principal. See, this is simple interest equals to P unknown 3 into 10 divided by 100, 0 0 0 0. This is 3, means 3000. Next, at what rate, means rate of interest is equals to question mark. Again it is principal 400. 400 is the simple interest. Principal is 2000. Year is 4 year or unknown, is a question mark. See, 0 0 0 0 0 0. This is 10. 2 into 5 means 5%. 5% is the rate of interest. Next, in how many years, means t is equals to question mark. Again this is simple interest. 900 equals to 3000. The principal 10 into t divided by 100, 0 0 cancel, 0 0 0 0 0 0. This is 3, means 3 years. Next, find the simple interest. Find the simple interest on 6000 to 5% per annum for 5 years. This is 6000, 5 into 5 divided by 100, 0 0 0 0. 6 into 60 into 25, that is 1500. Next, question number 9. A sum becomes 5500 in 5 years. Find the principal. See, amount is equals to A by P. A by P is equals to 1 plus RT by 100. This is the formula. First, here amount is given 5500 divided by principal unknown 1 plus rate is 10%. 10% equals to 1 by 10. 1 by 10, this 1 means this is 1 by 10. Total is 11 by 10. See, this is a 11 5 times. It means 5000. 5000 is your principal. Last question. Find the amount to on 8,000 at 6% per annum for 2 years under the simple interest. Find the amount. See how to calculate. First calculate the simple interest. See, simple interest is equals to PTR by 100. Simple interest, this is the sum. Okay, this is 8,000 into 6 into 2 divided by 100. 0 0 0 0. This is 960. Okay, 960 is your simple interest, but we want amount. Amount is equals to, this is 960 plus principal 8,000, that is 8960. 8960 is the amount. Okay friends, these are the basic level simple interest questions. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel, share with your friends. Thank you.